If your company is looking into analog line replacement options for your alarm lines, you might be wondering, hey, that sounds great, like the whole POTS over cellular thing, but does that work for fire alarms? Or you might be wondering something like, does that really work if our building has a lot of really thick walls? How does that cellular service get through the thick walls? You might have a lot of questions on that. So I'm going to do a video on this and answer all these questions for you. My name is Mike Smith. I'm the president of Aerocom. Let's put our heads together on this. But first, if you'd like my recommendation on the best POTS replacement solutions that your company should be quoting, don't try to reach out and call them all directly and find them on the internet. Actually send me an email, give me a call. I'll get you better pricing on the solutions that you should be using. I'll also tell you which solutions you should be quoting. There's probably dozens of them out there, and you want to make sure you pick the best ones, and I will help you get there a lot faster, get you better pricing, get you demos, get you talking to the salespeople you should be talking to. And I don't charge your company anything for my recommendations, so there's no excuse not to at least reach out and see what I have to say. So if your company needs at least 5 or more POTS lines replaced, that's a great fit for me. Send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out. And go check out our website, aerocominc.com, where you can write reviews on service providers, read reviews on service providers, see their ratings, watch videos on them, read all types of information on them, filter service providers by features, all kinds of great stuff. Go check that out today. Okay, so when it comes to POTS line replacement options, your company may have gotten a letter saying that your existing telco provider is decommissioning POTS lines in the area, maybe of one of your locations, maybe at all your locations, or maybe you're just trying to get ahead of the curve and do this in advance because you know the decommissioning of analog copper POTS lines is coming. But either way, one of the questions you have is hey, how does it work for alarm lines? Well, I want to establish right away that when it comes to POTS line replacement options, the number one go-to is going to be POTS over cellular. That's by far the most popular option, especially for you medium to large size companies. That's going to be the best fit, where you can get one service provider that's going to be able to blanket service all of your locations combined with a great cost-effective solution. So I'm going to focus today on talking about POTS over cellular connections and why they're still a great fit for even fire alarm lines or any type of alarm line. Number one, they do work for alarm lines because they're compliant with all the major regulations when it comes to alarm lines, such as UL NFPA 72, ASME A17.1b, and UN 38.3. So most POTS over cellular solutions are compliant with all of those regulations. The second thing is a lot of POTS over cellular solutions have dual SIM capabilities. They have dual SIM cards in the appliance that they deliver, and those dual SIM cards a lot of times can work with almost every major cellular network. So you think about it like AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, they work with all of them so that you can have a primary and a backup cellular network at any of your sites. They also, some of them I should say, come with the capability of having multipath failover. And what that is if you want, you can connect both a cellular network to the appliance through your SIM card in the appliance, and you can also connect a public internet connection, and it can send all voice traffic over both of those connections simultaneously so that no calls are ever missed. All traffic is also fully encrypted and secure. One nice benefit is that you can monitor and manage all of your sites globally in one portal. So, if you have fire alarms or alarm lines everywhere at a bunch of sites, it's easy. You have one website that you can log into to manage everything. And with that, you can set up service alerts for all of your sites that'll send you in either an email or a text alert if any device has a problem, if any battery has a problem, or if any device loses cellular connection, you can get an alert on that right away. Go log into the portal and see what's going on. So again, another big feature for alarm lines. A lot of the POTS over cellular connections also come with a battery backup that lasts at least 24 hours. And The nice thing is all of the POTS over cellular connections, or almost all of them, come with 24/7, 365 live support. So you're never having to worry about not being able to connect. If you have locations in different time zones, you can always call and get somebody live on the phone to support you. If, like I said earlier, if you get a text message saying that the cellular network has dropped, or, one of the devices has an issue, you can get somebody on the phone right away. You can either self-install, or if you're worried about compliance and you need the service provider to come out and do a full professional install, a lot of the service providers have those options. So, if you're a little bit scared about the alarm lines and you go, hey, self-installing these alarm lines, it's a little too tricky and a little too risky for me to do it myself, or maybe you don't have as much staff to do it and you don't trust other people going out and installing it for you, you can do professional services implementation at every site globally. And the last question I wanted to address, or the one concern I wanted to address, is a lot of companies I've talked to when it comes to POTS over cellular, they'll have a little bit of hesitation. They'll say, hey, we have a bad cellular network in that area, or they'll say, hey, our building has really thick walls, and so the cellular connection inside the building is sometimes poor. Well, this is not a new concern. This is something that these companies have dealt with for a long time. The first thing is in terms of a bad cellular connection, like I mentioned earlier, a lot of the solutions have dual SIM cards or the ability to connect to your internet connection as well. But the fact that they can connect to multiple providers' networks kind of solves that problem. And then in addition to that, if you have thick walls inside the building, the service provider, if the service cannot work through the building, they can actually put it on the outside of the building or on the roof as well. But that's something that's very common, especially you think about hospitals, really big buildings that need these types of services that have very thick walls. They have solutions that'll help you out with that. So definitely doable with alarm lines, nothing they have not seen before. All right, so if all that sounds pretty good and you're ready to take a look at some of these options, send me an email, give me a call. Don't start calling them directly on your own. You won't get as good a pricing. So reach out to me. I will tell you which solutions you should be looking at, which solutions my customers like the most. I'll introduce you to the best sales reps to work with at those service providers. I'll also get you a demo, oversee the quoting process to make sure you get the best pricing, and overall, I will help you make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. And the nice thing is, I don't charge you anything to work with me. So your company doesn't have to pay me a dime. All the service providers pay me my broker fee. So I've been doing this for over 20 years, so I know the industry inside and out. If you got something from this video, that's a nice way to say thank you. Send me an email, give me a call. If your company has more than 5 POTS lines that need to be replaced, that's a good fit for me. I'd love to help you with that and give you some recommendations. So hopefully you'll send me an email, give me a call, and then in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out on all types of different technology for businesses, and go check out our website, aerocominc.com. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.